Are you looking for a way that you can be able to afford your dream car or your dream home maybe? Well, with this money-making method, you could be making $200, $300, or even $500, all from the comfort of your own home. All you need to be able to get started is a phone or a computer that connects to the internet, and in a matter of minutes, you could be making enough money to be able to turn your dreams into reality. Stay with me until the very end of this video to find out exactly how it works as I walk you through the whole process. You could be making big bucks in no time. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Wolf, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alrighty, let's get into it. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for a PayPal account so that you can get paid, of course. You want to get paid, right? Right. So just open up a browser and head on over to paypal.com. So to create a free account on here, you're just going to want to click on this button right here. Now you should see a page that looks like this. Do you see it? Great. So on this page, you just fill it in with your personal information that I asked for. And no, I do not mean information like why your brother gets on your nerves. So just fill in the page and then submit your information, and then you should have a free PayPal account. Congratulations! Don't want to sign up for PayPal? No worries. You can also sign up for an online bank account. To do that, just head on over to Google and search for online bank account in my country, and there should be search results where you can sign up for free. And now you can use your bank account to get paid. Cool. Now you're ready to learn about the money-making platform that I have for you today, right? Well, of course you are. So to get started, you're going to go to respondent.io. Are you there yet? Cool. This is a really great platform to make money on, and if you stay with me throughout the whole video, you'll see why. You can make $300 or even $500 in a matter of minutes. I also have another strategy that can help you double your money, so you're going to want to pay very close attention. Anywho, you see the homepage for respondent.io, right? So this is what it should look like right here. Now you're going to want to hover your mouse over this Get Started button right here, and when you do that, you should see two different sign-up options. You're going to want to click on the part where it says participant sign up because that's how you're going to make money on this website. Are you done? Good. So you should see a page that looks like this, and all you need to do is give them your first and last name and then your email address. It's really as simple as that, and then you are all signed up for a 100% free account. Now, if you want to do this quickly and not need to fill in your information, you can actually just hit one of these buttons right here and link one of your other accounts. When you're done signing up, you're going to need to head on over to your email inbox and look for an email from respondent.io and then confirm your email address. Are you done doing that? Great. Now you should have access to your account and your dashboard should look something like this. There should be different projects that you can choose to complete and then get paid PayPal money. It's really simple. There are literally hundreds of projects that you can choose from on your dashboard, so the earning opportunities are endless. There are some that have just been posted or have been posted just recently, and there are really so many chances for you to be able to earn big time. Now you're going to want to pay very close attention to this part of the video because I have a little tip for you. If you get lost and want to rewatch this part, you can always pause and watch it again, just so that you don't miss out on anything. Anywho, as you can see, there are a few categories of projects that you can do. Each category of project pays differently, so there are some that are better to do just because they pay more. So if you see here, it says that the average hourly income for this category is this much, and this one will pay you around this much. And you can also see how much the other categories will pay you as well. So when it comes to projects, you're going to want to focus on projects like these ones right here. These two categories are the best ones to focus on. So in order to be able to make this much money, you're going to need to sign up for these two categories, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Are you still logged in? If not, log yourself back in. Anywho, you can go right here and you're gonna see a filter button. Do you see it? If not, then you probably need glasses. Or you can just zoom in and that should probably help you too. Anyways, that button is gonna help you find projects that you're gonna wanna join. So when you open up the filter, the first thing that you're gonna do is select remote, which will help you find projects that you can do from home. So that is very important. These are also the best projects to work on just because they're really flexible and you can work on them on your own time. Some of these projects require participants to show up in person, so picking remote just ensures that you won't need to do that, so that is very important because you're most likely watching this video because you want to learn how to make money from anywhere. After selecting remote, you should still have a ton of different project options that you can choose from. The next thing that you're going to want to filter out is how much you can earn just for joining certain projects, so listen up, Buttercup. So if you want, you could choose your starting pay to be around $10 and then work your way up to something like $1,000. So if you play with the settings right here, you should see projects that pay within that range for compensation. You'll see that there are tons of projects that pay hundreds of dollars, and if you want to adjust the filter to be able to make more money, then you can do that too. How's the video so far? Have you learned something new? Well, if you like this kind of content and have found this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more money-making tutorials. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what other money-making methods you want me to create a tutorial for, and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. And we're back. Alright, so this is around how much time it should take you to finish a project. So for example, this project pays you a really good rate and can be done really quickly. Now this one right here might take you a bit longer, but remember, you're getting free PayPal money just for completing this. Now in the filters, you can also go ahead and adjust the time if you want. So you may be looking for a project that doesn't take as long to complete, so you can put that in the filter right here, or maybe you don't mind doing projects that take up some of your time, so you can also indicate that in your filter. Say you wanted to do projects that will take you anywhere from 5 to 16 minutes. So you can just input that into the filter right here. And as you can see, there are actually projects that pay really good amounts just for a few minutes of your time. Look at this one right here. They're willing to pay you this much for just a few minutes of your time. And if you're really interested and want to get started, then you're just going to click on it. If you follow the guidelines that you see here, then you can get paid this much. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, to get started on the project, you're just going to click on this button right here and answer a few simple questions about yourself. They want to know a few personal details about you, so don't be too shy. Anyways, once you're done answering all of that stuff, then you should be able to join the project and you're one step closer to earning some PayPal money. It really is that simple. Are you guys still with me? Well, if you are, then I have another bonus tip for you just as a little thank you for sticking it through this far. This is another way to make PayPal money really quick and easy. Are you ready for my tip? Cool. So there actually is a way to be able to complete these projects on here without even really needing to put in a ton of work. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money on this platform, and that is to refer your friends and family to become part of these projects and research studies. What does that mean? Well, it means that you can make money without even needing to complete any of the surveys yourself. You just need to share your referral link, and when your friends and family sign up for an account and participate in studies, then you get paid. You can share your link pretty much anywhere. You can put it up on Facebook or Twitter, just anywhere for people to see it and then click on it. As you can see right here, this is the average amount that people are making per referral. Pretty impressive, right? You can make this much money per person that signs up, so I definitely recommend this money-making method because it doesn't require you to really do anything except copy and paste. Now, let's say you've already shared the link literally anywhere that you can. Well, I have another bonus tip for you. Open up your browser and go to webmastersun.com. Are you there yet? Great. Now, you may be wondering why you're here. We're gonna make friends on here. Well, not really, but kind of. So Webmaster Sun is a place that people come to talk about making money and stuff like that. It's basically an online forum. Now, if you take a look at people's posts on here, then you'll probably notice that there are a lot of people getting lots of views and lots of clicks. You could be one of those people, which makes this forum a really great place to be able to share your referral link. If you put your link up here, I'm 100% sure that you'll get tons of clicks and tons of signups, so it's a really great place to be able to collect referrals. Now, you're not just going to copy and paste only the link because other people might find that a bit sketchy and think that you're trying to get them to click on spam, so you're not going to want to do that. Instead, you're going to follow this template right here and then copy and paste your referral link with this text, and you should be good to go. This template makes the job a lot easier, and you can just copy and paste it into any website, social media platform, or forum and put it up with your link, and you should get tons of clicks and signups. You could have hundreds of dollars really quickly. This is a great way to set up a passive income stream, and the post will probably read something like this. I really want to share something with you guys. I just found a website that can help you earn $100. Want to check it out for yourself and earn money? And then you can just copy and paste your link along with that. If you do both of these things, then you can max out your potential earnings. It really is just a matter of joining projects that you can finish in a matter of minutes or copying and pasting your referral link. You can make hundreds of dollars in the blink of an eye, so I highly suggest that you try out this method. Anyways, that's all I've got for you folks. Before I go, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you are the first to know when I have a new video. You can also check out some of my previous videos for more money-making platforms. Let me know in the comments down below what other platforms you want to learn about. See you in my next video!